President Xi Jinping has met with Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov here in Beijing. Xi Jinping said the two nations should maintain a high level of exchanges and strengthen collaboration in international and regional affairs. President Xi also welcomed Vladimir Putin's upcoming visit to China in May, where he will attend a key summit in Shanghai. Lavrov says Russia is willing to boost communication, negotiation and cooperation with China. He says Russia will work with China to make Putin's visit to China and the Shanghai summit successful. The two sides also exchanged views on the crisis in Ukraine.